Continuing coverage of the fentanyl crisis, a drive-through training event is giving people the chance to learn how to use the drug overdose reversal treatment, Narcan.
Fox 23's Scott Martin went to Pawhuska today to see how they're helping fight the drug epidemic.
This little life-saving box of Narcan is expected to be available for everyone to purchase by summer. Members of the Osage Nation Counseling Center jump-started early and spent the day handing it out to people for free.
Every second counts. That's why, like I said, we really want everyone to have a box of Narcan with them, know how to use it, not be afraid to use it.
Jennifer McLaughlin is the clinical compliance officer. It's her mission to make sure people have a tool to help save lives. She has seen firsthand how opioid usage is impacting her community.
Several weeks ago, they had about 3 overdoses at our various casinos that our officers responded to. So that's why it is so important for everyone to carry Narcan.
As part of a pilot program, the center put together a drive-through Narcan training post, educating people about opioid usage and how to help in an emergency. The little box could be the difference between life or death.
We like to think not in our community, but instead what we're hoping is that our community will embrace harm reduction, which is being prepared.
That's why Kathy Hildebrand stopped by. She says she'd rather be in a spot to help someone if she could.
I just know that there's a lot of drug use around Barnesdall, and especially out at the lake and areas, and I'm like, I'm going to be prepared. If they're not, I'm going to stay prepared.
McLaughlin just wants to remind people this is a good tool to have. You never know when you could run into someone who is passed out. And if they weren't overdosing, it's still safe to give.
Narcan will not hurt them. So if you come upon someone who is unconscious, you are uncertain, you have Narcan, please administer it because you may be saving a life.
Another drive-through training is in the works for July. In Pawhuska, covering news that matters, Scott Martin, Fox 23 News.